Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Dollar Tree mesh clothesline rope basket. This was a lot of fun to make. I start out by taking the mesh and the clothesline rope and putting them together. This mesh is a little different than the mesh I've been buying because it had the sparkles in it, which I felt like it gave the basket a little extra something special. I really like this combination with the three different colors together. This looks a lot harder than it actually is. By just taking the rope and a safety pin, I like to do just about a ½ inch of the rope with the safety pin. Once you get that in and get it hooked, you want to stick it into the mesh and just push it through until you get to the end of the mesh. If your rope looks like this, there's an easy fix. I take a little piece of Scotch tape, put it on the end, and then just cut off about 3/4 of it, leaving just a little bit, and it makes it perfect to go into the mesh. And then it is time to get it ready to sew. When I'm getting ready, I like to take the end and do the same thing I did before, put a little Scotch tape on, cut 3/4 of it off, and get ready to sew. I wanted to make a bigger basket this time, so I started with 5 inches. It can be a little tricky getting it started, so I always start like this until I get it going good, and it seems to work good every time. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you hit the like button and subscribe. That really helps my channel. If you find that you miss a little spot, it is so easy to fix. Just back up and grab it real quick and then continue on. And it is time to add the second color, and watch how easy it is to do this. And then I will tilt it up and begin sewing to form the basket. this basket, I decided I'm going to put handles on it, and I'm going to measure the space at 5 inches. I'm going to pin that, and then I'm going to sew it, and I'm going to go around 3 times. It is always fun trying to decide how you want to end a basket, and I really like the look of the big buttons on the basket. I think it just adds something to it. I was kind of going with a Mardi Gras theme with the yellow, green, and purple, and I don't know, I just thought the button looked really good. What do you think? Do you like the button? It is a little tedious doing the handles the way that I'm getting ready to do them, but I think the end results, the end look, is well worth the trouble. This is one of my favorite tricks, to use a marker. Anytime you have something that you don't like, too much white thread is showing, grab a marker. Makes it disappear. No one will ever know. Sometimes I get so wrapped up in what I'm doing, I forget to make sure that the camera can see what I'm doing. So bear with me here. Hopefully I'll get it right again. What a neat way to do the handles. I just really love the way this looks. Once I glue these down, I am going to take it back to the sewing machine and sew it down once the glue has dried. And then once the basket's done, I just like to go look at it and make sure all the white spots are gone. Just kind of take different markers, whatever color I need, and just mark it and make it just disappear. And then I just wanted to show you how big it is. You know, it's so fun. You can make any size you need. And I am crocheting an Afghan right now. And I needed a big basket to carry my stuff in. So this is perfect. This basket was a lot of fun to make. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. And at the end of this video, I will place a couple of my other videos if you'd like to watch them. Thank you so much for watching.